स्टुडंट्स, प्रताप विद्या मंदिर चोपडा ह्या शाळेने आपल्यासाठी एक खूप छान प्लॅटफॉर्म यूट्यूब चॅनल उपलब्ध करून दिलेला आहे. यासाठी आपण सगळे माधुरीताईंचे खूप खूप आभारी आहोत. आणि मी दीपाली सितेश शहा या प्लॅटफॉर्मवर आज आपला पहिला व्हिडिओ 7वी गणिताचं टाकणार आहे. 7वी गणितात आपलं पहिलं चॅप्टर आहे जॉमेट्रिकल कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स. आणि या चॅप्टरला सुरुवात करताना खूप आनंद होत आहे. जॉमेट्री हे खूप छान असतं, इझी असतं, म्हणून तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी कोणीही घाबरण्याची गरज नाही आहे. आणि काहीही अडचण आली तर मी आहेच. जॉमेट्रिकल कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स, मागच्या वर्षी आपण जॉमेट्री बघितलंय आणि बेसिक कन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ जॉमेट्री बघितलं. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण बघितलं पॉइंट बघितलं, अँगल बघितलं, काही कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स आपण केले. आठवत असतील तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना. त्यातला पहिला कन्स्ट्रक्शन जो तुम्ही केला तो होता परपेंडिक्युलर बायसेक्टर, आणि त्यानंतर तुम्ही अँगल बायसेक्टर पण केलेलं. आज पहिल्यांदा थोडंसं मागचा आठवा. अँगल बायसेक्टर म्हणजे काय? अँगल बायसेक्टरचा अर्थ त्याच्या नावातच आहे. अँगल म्हणजे सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे, दोन रेजने तयार होणारी आकृती म्हणजे अँगल. एक अँगल मी काढणार आहे तुमच्या समोर, म्हणजे तुम्हाला ते व्यवस्थित लक्षात येईल. आणि बायसेक्टर या शब्दाचा अर्थ बाय म्हणजे दोन आणि सेक्ट म्हणजे भाग. या अँगलचे दोन समान भाग करणारा जो एक रे आपण काढणार आहोत. हे आपण दोन पद्धतीने, आपल्याकडे कोनमापक असेल तर मेजरमेंटने सुद्धा आपण काढू शकतो अँगल बायसेक्टर. जसं आपल्याकडे हा कोनमापक आहे, याच्याने आपण ही अँगल मोजली. ही 60 डिग्रीची अँगल आहे. हिचं जे अँगल बायसेक्टर असेल ते 30 डिग्री वरती येणार आहे. आणि अशा प्रकारे आपण कोनमापकाच्या सहाय्याने अँगल बायसेक्टर काढू शकतो. यामुळे या अँगलचे दोन समान भाग झालेत. मी या अँगलला नाव देते PVM. आणि इकडे या रेला आपण नाव दिलं S. याच्यामुळे आपल्याला दोन अँगल्स मिळाले, PVS आणि SVM. या दोघांचं माप 30 डिग्री आहे. अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला अँगल बायसेक्टर मिळाला. हाच अँगल बायसेक्टर आपण कंपासच्या सहाय्यतेने सुद्धा काढू शकतो. कंपासच्या सहाय्यतेने आपण अँगल बायसेक्टर कसं काढणार आहोत, किंवा मागच्या वर्षी आपण ते केलेलंच आहे, तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना आठवत असेल. With the help of a compass we are going to draw an angle bisector. Without changing the distance in the compass, you have to put the pointer on this arc which we have already drawn and draw another arc intersecting the first arc. We get a point which we are going to call as point M. When we join point M and point B, we get an angle bisector. Ray BM is angle bisector of angle ABC. हे आपण मागच्या वर्षी केलेलं तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना आठवत असेल. असंच आपण कोणत्याही प्रकारचे अँगल्स, हे दोघंही एक्यूट अँगल्स आहेत, आपण ऑब्ट्यूज अँगलचाही अँगल बायसेक्टर काढू शकतो. आपण राईट अँगलचाही अँगल बायसेक्टर काढू शकतो. आपण एका ऑब्ट्यूज अँगलचा अँगल बायसेक्टर काढून बघणार आहोत, म्हणजे तुम्हाला कंपासच्या सहाय्यतेने अँगल बायसेक्टर कसं काढायचं याची परत एकदा आयडिया येईल. वी विल ड्रॉ अन ऑब्ट्यूज अँगल, अँगल PQR. Angle PQR is an obtuse angle, means an angle which measures more than 90 degrees. We will keep the pointer of the compass on point Q and we will draw an arc on arm PQ and another arc on arm QR. Now you can change the distance in the compass, a bit more distance, and then put the pointer on this arc. Now you don't have to change the distance. Keep the distance same in the compass and keep the pointer on another arc, and then draw an arc intersecting the original arc. got a point. We will call this point as point X. Now join point X and point Q, and we get QX as the angle bisector of angle PQR. So I think we have done this last year, so you all now perfectly remember that how you will draw an angle bisector. The same thing we are going to do in case of a triangle. So we will draw a triangle PVM. A triangle has 3 angles, and we will draw angle bisectors of all 3 angles. Triangle PVM. First of all, we will draw angle bisector of angle PVM. Put the pointer, first decide which angle you have to draw the angle bisector, and put the pointer of the compass on that angle. We have decided that we will draw an angle bisector of angle PVM, hence we will put the pointer on point V. Now you know the procedure. Put the pointer on the arc, draw an arc, put the pointer on another arc and draw an arc intersecting the original arc. You get point A, join point A and point B. And this is an angle bisector of angle PVM. In the same way, we will draw an angle bisector for angle P. As we have to draw an angle bisector for angle P, we will put the pointer of the compass on angle P and we will draw an arc. Now, we will put the pointer over here and we will draw another arc. Without changing the distance, we will put the pointer here. Now we have got a point B. We will join point point P and point B. The pink ray, point PB, is the angle bisector of angle VPM. In the same way, we will draw an angle bisector for angle M, that is angle PMV. We have got a point C. We will join point M and point C. We are able to see that all these 3 angle bisectors are intersecting each other at a single point. This is point M. Hence, from this we can tell that the angle bisectors of a triangle are concurrent. Do you remember concurrent, students? Concurrent म्हणजे काय? Concurrent means when more than 2 lines intersect in a single point. The lines are called as concurrent lines. And angle bisectors of any triangle are concurrent. This can be seen from the figure which we have drawn here. We have drawn 3 angle bisectors for triangle PVM. And these angle bisectors are intersecting each other at a single point, and hence this point has a special name. This is called as an in-center of the triangle. The point of concurrence of angle bisectors of a triangle is called as an in-center of a triangle. Did you all understand the definition? Did you all understand the definition? So I think you have understood what is an in-center of a triangle. See students, I have written the definition for you, that the point of concurrence of angle bisectors of a triangle is called in-center of a triangle. Here we can see point M which is the in-center of triangle PVM. So did you all understand the concept of angle, bisector and in-center? Okay. So then we can go for the next concept, that is perpendicular bisectors of a triangle. So now we are going to start perpendicular bisector. We have done perpendicular bisector last year also. Same as angle bisector, it has two words, perpendicular and bisector. So you all have learned what is a perpendicular. When a line or line segment intersects another line or a line segment at a right angle or an angle of 90 degrees, it is called as perpendicular. Now got the point? Perpendicular. Same way bisector. As an angle bisector, here also bisector means two equal parts. When a line segment is broken into two equal parts by another line at an angle of 90 degree, it is called as perpendicular bisector. We will see this perpendicular bisector. We will draw a segment of 10 centimeters. We have drawn a line segment of 10 centimeters. Now we will see how to draw a perpendicular bisector. You all have learned this in standard 6. So now you all just recall and try to draw with me. We will keep the pointer, we will name this line segment as line segment A, B. Keep the pointer of the compass on point A. Take approximately a distance more than half of the line segment, approximately, and draw an arc above and below the line segment. Now, without changing the distance in the compass, keep the compass on point B and draw two arcs intersecting the original arcs. We have got 2 points, point M and point N. Now we will join point M and point M. See students, here we have got an angle of 90 degrees, and if we measure AX and XB, it is 5 centimeters each. Hence, due to segment MN, AB segment has been broken into two equal parts at an angle of 90 degrees. Hence, this is called as perpendicular bisector of a segment. Same way as we have drawn this, in the last part we have drawn angle bisectors of a triangle. We will be drawing perpendicular bisectors of a triangle. For this we will draw a triangle ABC. We have got triangle ABC on our blackboard. Now decide that you have to draw perpendicular bisector of which segment. First I am going to take segment AB. So as I have shown you, we will take approximately distance more than half of segment AB. Keep the pointer on point B and draw an arc on both sides of segment AB. Without changing the distance, we will keep the pointer on point A and draw another arcs intersecting the original arcs. We have got 2 points. We will be joining these 2 points, and we have got the segment which is a perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Same way we will draw a perpendicular bisector of segment BC, approximately again more than half, and arcs on both sides. Keep the pointer without changing the distance on point C, and other 2 arcs intersecting the original arcs. We have got 2 points. We will join these 2 points, and we have got an angle perpendicular bisector of segment BC. Same way, now the side which is left is side AC or segment AC. We will be drawing a perpendicular bisector for segment AC. We will keep the pointer see that as the angle bisectors are concurrent, same way the perpendicular bisectors of the triangle are concurrent. They are intersecting at point M. And this is the point of concurrence. Now I am not repeating again what is point of concurrence. You all know the meaning of point of concurrence, and this point is called as the circumcenter of a triangle. See students, here we have a triangle PVM, and we have drawn perpendicular bisectors of all three sides of the triangle, of side PV, side VM and side PM. And these are intersecting each other at point S. And this is the point of concurrence, and it is called as circumcenter of triangle PVM. Once again, I'll repeat the definition for y'all. The point of concurrence of perpendicular bisectors of a triangle is called the circumcenter of the triangle. Hope you all understood. So today we have done two concepts. The first one was in center, that is the point of concurrence of the angle bisectors of a triangle, and the second one is circumcenter, which is in front of you, that is the point of concurrence of perpendicular bisectors of a triangle. So hope you all have understood both these concepts very nicely. Thank you for watching.